Example number 2. If a woman buys a bag that was originally sold for 2,995 pesos and was marked down to sell for 2,160 pesos, what is the markdown rate? First, solve for the markdown. Using the formula, markdown is equal to original selling price minus new selling price. What we need to do now is 2,995 minus 2,160 pesos, which is equal to 835 pesos. Next, to compute for the markdown rate, use the formula. Markdown rate is equal to markdown divided by the original selling price. So, 835 divided by 2,995 pesos, which give us 0.2788. Therefore, our markdown rate is 27.88%. Example number 3. A wooden table has a selling price of 4,880 pesos is on sale for 15% off. What is the sale price for the wooden table? We know that markdown is equal to original selling price times markdown rate, and new selling price is equal to original selling price minus markdown. To compute for sale price, we derive from the two formulas, giving us new selling price is equal to original selling price times 1 minus markdown rate. So, 4,880 times parenthesis 1.0.15, which is equal to 4,148 pesos. And this is our final answer. Last example, what was the original selling price of a t-shirt if it was purchased for only 499 pesos at a markdown rate of 28%? From the previous example, we know that new selling price is equal to original selling price times 1 minus markdown rate. To get the original price, you have to divide new selling price by 1 minus markdown rate. So 499 divided by parenthesis 1 minus 0.28, which is equal to 693.06 pesos. And this is the original price of the t-shirt. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and learned more about markdown. Thank you for watching. Bye!